Hey everybody on YouTube, I'm here with my Rampage and I'm going to replace the steering knuckle because I broke it the last time I went out. Actually I didn't break it, I just bent it. So I got a new one and I'm glad I got it quick because I just put in this G320 RC motor and I'm dying to get back out and play. So let's just get after it. Here we go. Bearings are going to get replaced, so let's just do that. I got some new ones. There we are. Place those in. Good, that's going nice and easy. Put this pin through here. Actually, what am I doing? You got to put this on first. So you put that on. Pin goes through. Now when you hold both sides of the pin so it doesn't come out, you're going to want to tighten that nut in there so it doesn't come out. Really tight, there you go. That's good. Now, I'm not going to put Loctite on these because they have all kinds of old Loctite, and that's good for now. I always check everything anyway. There's some sleeves here that come out, but mine's didn't, so watch out for those if you're doing this, because they'll drop out. Line up. Here we are. There we are. Simple. Yeah, these bearings were no good, so I'm just going to toss them. Alright, done. Now I've got to torque down. Bolts here. There we are. Now I can put the steering back together. I might replace this rod. I got a little chewed up from rubbing against the wheel when it broke, or when the knuckle bent. But for now, it's okay. Lickety split. Now I'm back in action. Just put the tire on. There we have it. All right. Now, here's the old piece. This is bent. This piece up here, the arm that holds the steering rod, is bent. I don't know if I'm holding that right or not, but probably can see that. Alright, let's get the wrench for the wheel. And there we have it. Lower the car. Finito.